Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear brothers and sisters, welcome to Together as Ummah, where we reflect on and promote the values of unity within the Muslim community. I am Muhammad Ali, and today we'll delve into the beautiful teachings of Islam on unity, which is more crucial than ever in these challenging times. In today's video, we will be reflecting on the importance of Muslim unity and how we can embrace our diversity as a source of strength. I truly believe this message will inspire you. Before we dive in, I would love to hear from you. What does unity means to you? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's start this conversation. Dear brothers and sisters, today we will reflect on an essential aspect of our faith, Muslim unity. At a time when divisions and misunderstandings seems to grow, it's vital to return to the core teachings of the Qur'an to remind ourselves of the beauty and power of togetherness in Islam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in his infinite wisdom revealed in the Quran, O mankind, we have created you from a male and a female and made you peoples and tribes that you may know one another. Indeed, the most noble of you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous of you. Indeed, Allah is knowing and acquainted. This is from Surah Al-Hujurat, chapter 49, verse 13. This beautiful verse reminds us that our diversity, our cultures, languages, and identities is not a reason for division. It is instead a means for us to learn about one another, to appreciate each other's uniqueness, and to unite under the banner of Islam. Islam is not limited to one ethnicity, nation, or language. It is a global faith that unites over 2 billion Muslims across the world. Whether we are from Asia, Africa, the Middle East, Europe, or the Americas, our bond as Muslims is based on something far deeper than worldly affiliations. It is rooted in our shared belief in La ilaha illallah, Muhammadur Rasulullah. Yet, despite this profound guidance, we sometimes find ourselves divided by nationality, or race, or school of thought. But Islam teaches us that unity is our strength. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The believers are like a single body. When one part of it feels pain, the rest of the body responds with sleeplessness and fever." When we stand together, we embody the true essence of Islam. When we care for one another, regardless of our differences, we fulfill the command of Allah and follow the example of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So, my dear brothers and sisters, let us rise above the divisions that weaken us. Let us embrace the diversity that Allah has blessed us with and use it as a means to unite. Let us strive to be like the early Muslim community, united in faith, purpose, and love for one another. As Allah reminds us in Quran, and hold firmly to the rope of Allah altogether and do not become divided. That is from Surah Aal-E-Imran, chapter 3, verse number 103. To wrap up, remember that unity is not just a call for us as Muslims, it is an essential part of our faith. Let us strive to live by the teachings of the Quran and the Sunnah, embracing our differences and coming together for the greater good of our Ummah. If you enjoyed this video and believe in spreading the message of unity, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us grow and reach more people with the message of togetherness. Thank you for watching. May Allah unite our hearts and strengthen the bonds between us. Wa assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.